All right, so we've got some topics coming up that I'm pretty excited about. The first two I'm going to lock in. These are the first two I'm going to do. I'm going to cover a graphic system, and it's not going to do literally all the graphics we'll ever want to do. It's going to just cover basic 2D stuff and maybe some text rendering, some shapes, OpenGL, maybe more. And then I also want to get started on user input, because once we have user input in graphics, we can start making all kinds of utilities, graphical applications, maybe little game jams, stuff like that. So I want to just get those things out of the way because it opens up a lot of possibilities for future projects, including one on here, the text editor. And that gets me to the discussion of sort of the longer term goals here. So I have on here a few things that are a little bit more short term. The metaprogramming thing would be a good thing to have possibly before we get into too many other topics. Live audio output is not a huge topic. It could be something we just go and implement an API for and get done with. That'd be the ability to, play sound, which would be helpful if we're going to do something like a little game jam or something at any point. A slide generator would be very helpful for speeding up the process of making these videos, but it's also fairly small and closed form in terms of the sort of project it would be. It would just be something for rendering out some text into bitmaps and saving them so that I can speed up the process of creating the slides that I use to talk with the videos, right? But the text editor here on the screen is the first example of a longer term project that I want to start diving into. And there are more of those that'll be coming up. I'm not going to reveal all the different ideas I have of where I want to go just yet, but I have a lot of them. So as we check off some of these other things, I'll start to fill in the list with more stuff. Let me know in the comments if there are any of these things that you're particularly excited about. If you have questions about which topics I'm going to do and how much I'm going to cover them or what way I'm going to cover them, let me know. I'll be happy to answer questions. And if there's anything you'd like to recommend that's not on the list yet, let me know, because I would like to consider it and figure out when to schedule it into sort of the process of building out this code base. So that's all I have to say for now. Look forward to the next arc where we'll get into the graphic stuff.